service in Detroit. Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie from Detroit River to North Cape, Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of Bowles Harbor of Refuge to near Luna Pier to 8 nautical miles south of North Cape, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Monroe Harbor, Bowles Harbor of Refuge, North Cape, Luna Pier, Stony Point, Woodland Beach, and Detroit Beach around 3:10 p.m. Astral Beach around 3:15 p.m. Lake Erie Metro Park Harbor, Detroit River Light, and Gibraltar around 3:25 p.m. Elizabeth Park Marina and Grosse Ile around 3:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Astral Beach, and Detroit Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh, that's some stations that need good. Hold on. Okay. Real quick, hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna set this down real quick.
That in your car.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Monroe, Michigan. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Severe thunderstorm watch 121 in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Late this afternoon, showers and scattered thunderstorms. Thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour.
Stop recording.